Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I cut and style the edges of this glueless frontal unit that I made for my client slash my friend. This video is pretty self-explanatory, but I'm just going to go over a few things that I did for you guys. Of course, you can put any questions that you have below, and I'll try to get back to you, but just a few things. This is a frontal unit. It's made with two 12-inch bundles of body wave hair, I do believe, and the frontal is also a 12-inch body wave frontal. So it's been customized already. I did some light bleaching to it and just a little bit of plucking around the hairline to make it look a little bit more natural. But other than that, I didn't do much customizing. It does have an elastic band on the back of it so that it can be glueless. But because she, wants to style her baby hairs, I'm gonna use Gaston glue gel to adhere it down. Otherwise, the unit pretty much stays on, and the way that it's styled, she's not going to have any trouble just tying it down at night because I'm going to stitch the back of it down. So I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. If you have any questions about anything that I did, like I said, drop them below, and I'll talk to you guys again.